one of the best photo editing application out there, and we'll be taking a look on it and show you how to use it properly. So make sure to watch the full video and stay tuned. This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very simple layout, nothing hard for you to not understand. So first off, we start with the subscription, and let me tell you guys, not very expensive. You can see here you have the monthly subscription, yearly subscription. So these are just the prices of the monthly subscription, and over here we'll tell you how much you'll be paying a month for each, the light option or the studio option. Over here you have the monthly subscription as well. Here you can see pretty much everything that you'll be getting, the prices and everything. So over here pretty much have the free option, what to be getting for a free option. So nothing much for that. And do make sure you log in when you're using the application, because most of the feature, if you do not log in, you won't be able to use them. So make sure you log in your Google account, your email, and pretty much good to go. And down here now you see the editing section. Here you can pretty much open photos or go and take out it. So you have to allow some permissions for your app access to your storage and so forth. So here you have the open sample photo. I'm just giving this for an example. Here down here you see some features which you can use, but these features I have not in or anything, so I won't be able to use these features here. But I can use the filter feature, discover option, where you can also find other filters. Here you can find almost a lot of filters, guys. You can either go at the top and search for your filters, let's say an iPhone filter, which you can pretty much search that here. And there's just so much filters for you to choose from. It's crazy. As you can see here. And as you can scroll down, we have section as well, Indian film filters, a lot of features, guys, a lot of filters. So here you have the premium section here, but we need a subscription to get access to these filters. So if you don't have the premium subscription, you won't be able to use these filters that they offer here. So it's pretty much similar to the discovery section, but you will need a premium subscription to access these or to use these filters. Now you have the tutorial section, which gives you a 2-minute tutorials you can see here of how to get results like what you're seeing here. For example, this image here, how to create a golden or edit like similar to this here. So we'll just teach you those simple things. So the application is very simple and straightforward. Nothing hard for you to not understand. And as I said before, it's easy to use. So at the top here you have the export option. Once you tap on the arrow that's pointing up, you'll be able to save your image. And if you do not want it with more watermark, you pretty much have to get the subscription. Or you can save the image here, or save it in batch. Also share the image as well. So all up to you. Over here is pretty much the photo option, where you can go into gallery and select whichever photo you'd like to use to edit and so forth. So that's really pretty much it for that. And the settings option here, you have the copy settings. Pretty much copy the style that you have used on that image. Let's say this image here, copy the settings, and I want to put the same editing style that I've used on this image. You can just tap on the 3 dots over here, copy the settings, and select a different folder or the folder that I want to transfer that style to. Then go to the 3 dots over here again and press on paste edits. I wouldn't say settings, but edits. And here you can reapply last edits. So it will undo pretty much. Let's say I've made an error. You can go at the top here and undo what, let's say, you don't want. So that's pretty much it for this. So very simple. I can't go through these features because I'm not logged in, but here you can tap on all the tools that you have available for you to use with them. As you can see here, quite a lot of editing tools for your photos. You also have filters and so forth, so a lot of stuff. But yeah, so that's pretty much it. And in the profile section, which pretty much just show you the login option. So do make sure you log in. If you don't log in, you won't be able to pretty much use the app. So do make sure you log in, guys. So that's really pretty much it for this application. And if I've missed anything at all, please comment below. I would gladly love to assist you guys, and we'll always say, guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell. Let's see you guys in the next one.